Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every swimmer should consider adding to their gear, the Arena Python Racing Swim Goggles. We found this product online and have included a link in the description below for you to check the latest price and availability. The Arena Python goggles are designed for both men and women, making them a versatile choice for anyone looking to enhance their swimming experience. These goggles are specifically engineered for racing, which means they offer features that cater to competitive swimmers and those who are serious about their training. One of the standout features of the Python goggles is their anti-fog technology. Anyone who's ever swum with foggy goggles knows how frustrating it can be. With the anti-fog coating on these lenses, you can expect clear vision throughout your swim, allowing you to focus on your technique and performance without distractions. This feature is particularly beneficial during competitions or intense training sessions when every second counts. Additionally, the Arena Python goggles are designed to prevent leaks. The soft silicone gaskets create a secure seal around your eyes, ensuring that water doesn't seep in and disrupt your swim. This leak-proof design is crucial for maintaining comfort and focus, especially during long swims or races. Another important aspect of these goggles is their comfort. The dual strap system provides a stable fit while distributing pressure evenly around your head. This means you can wear them for extended periods without discomfort. The adjustable straps make it easy to find the perfect fit, which is essential for both performance and comfort. When it comes to lens options, the Arena Python goggles come in both mirror and non-mirror finishes. The mirror lenses are great for outdoor swimming, as they reduce glare from the sun, providing you with better visibility and less eye strain. On the other hand, the non-mirror lenses are ideal for indoor swimming pools, ensuring that your vision remains sharp and clear regardless of lighting conditions. These goggles are suitable for a wide range of swimmers, from competitive athletes participating in races to fitness swimmers who are looking to improve their lap times. If you're training for a triathlon, these goggles will serve you well in open water conditions, thanks to their secure fit and anti-fog properties. They are also perfect for those who simply enjoy swimming laps at the local pool. Practical use cases for the Arena Python goggles include everything from competitive swim meets to daily training sessions, and even casual swims on weekends. Whether you're sprinting laps in a pool or gliding through open water, these goggles will help you maintain clear vision and comfort, allowing you to focus on your performance. In summary, the Arena Python Racing Swim Goggles are an excellent investment for any serious swimmer. With their anti-fog technology, leak-proof design, and comfort-focused features, they cater to the needs of both competitive and recreational swimmers alike. Their stylish design and various lens options also make them a great addition to your swim gear. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.